Hello everybody, how everybody doing? I hope you're doing alright. Today I want to do some crits with you again. So I just logged on. I forgot I left this character right in the moment to get in the action. So today I wanna do the crit build. Test against the human tier 5 dungeon. The modifier is heft stockpiles, so they are going to refresh their lives quite often. Oh, I forgot to get my blood. No, that's okay. The thing is, my immunity, it's really low, so the aftermath of Abasa will be bad. So I will do the fastest I can. Didn't eat the food. I will start doing it with caution. I think it's wise to build up my dodge and my block. This guy, I don't think he can dash that far. He needs to step. Oh, he can do this. Alright, no problem. Jesus. He's strong. I think I'm going to start the offense. Alright. Oh, these guys are strong as hell. I think I need to start playing it right, or I will die. Okay, the entry is usually the hardest part. This dude is really strong. See, these guys are going to the buff. Let's see, I need to dodge. Alright. No problem. I need to start playing it right. My immunity, it's 0 now. No. It's close to 0. Okay, that's a range guy. I really like to deal with the ranged guys with this build. Some dodge, please. Alright. I will get the ranged guys first. They are... Oh no. He's already fleeing. This dude is a problem. Alright, no more. I forgot to use finisher to refresh my skills. Okay, no problem. Okay. Then Archer fled. No problem. I want to get the most value from my Abbas. I started doing it really wrong. This game. Oh, there's a lot of people here. This game sometimes is too cruel. It's okay. Let's start with full damage. I want to. Oh, oh, Jesus! How fucking. I did it. No water. No problem. I want to hit him really hard. This dude really pissed me off. Now everybody's starting to run. I wonder why. Damn it. That guy. That guy. Then I have low dodge. Oh, this dude is going to try to do the same thing. I will not be that dumb. Alright, now you wanna go? You wanna? Now, what you gonna do? What you gonna do? Oh, this. No problem, I can destroy this stone. Nothing happens. Oh, I think it's dogs. I think it is dogs. No, it's no dog. No problem. Oh, I misclick. This guy. Oh no. Dude, really? Oh no. I will run. I get it. That's not the right way. It's not. It's here. I think my Abasa will wear off. And I will need to get rid of the aftermath. I get it. I would run too. Oh, you! Nah, I can't hit. Okay. Now I can. I go straight to the guys because the less they live, less of a threat. Oh, who did this? Who did this? You? Damn it. Have this dog virus. Dog. Oh. Oh, why are you running? Why are you running? No. Dogs. Sad I have to do these dogs. I'm sorry. No, great. Okay. Okay. Hit me. It's okay. I'm sorry, doggies. In the future, you two can make problems. To hit this guy. He didn't run out. Courage, I give. Oh, now I'm dead. I'm not with the worst type of drunkenness. Don't know. It's okay. I thought the aftermath was to be way worse than this. There's these stairs. Damn it! I'm drunk. I'm drunk. Okay, I'm drunk. Let's see. Maybe that's because I drank some anttoxin. Let's get closer. This good enough. No, not good enough. Oh, you're running. I wonder why. No. Okay. I'm drunk. Oh, that's a really big debuff. I don't think that's the right way, but since we opened it. Okay, another. I want to hit like a truck. These guys have really maximum danger. Alright. Oh! How dare you! Okay. I knew it was not the right way. With this build, I feel way more confident to investigate everything. Yeah. This build is way better than the mage one, I think. Feels better. He's running away. Nice. Lost his hand. Okay. That's some tactical knowledge from this guy. Good. I respect. Now, are you going to do what? I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh, I will. Oh, I didn't do the right button. Oh, you run. You run? Please stop running. Okay. This guy. I think the boss is behind one of these doors. It's probably, yeah, not yet, but there is some fun to us. I really want to hit. Oh no! Really? Really? Oh. Okay. I don't care. I don't care. I will. Alright. This is the buff of the Mage Hunter. It makes my cooldown durations way higher. Oh, there's the boss. He can't see me because his helmet makes him practically blind. So I will take advantage of that and do my buffs. He has no clue I'm right in front of him. It's funny. But I will 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Let's do it. Oh, he's good. He's good. But I got. Oh, he can heal. Heal this. And what? And what? Your boss couldn't do nothing. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? So that's it. That was the tier 5 dungeon. It was fun. Let's see the treasure. I hope it's something good. This game is going to improve. Oh, interesting. That's something that I could use. I can make a showcase of the full armor layout for my two-handed sword. No. So thanks for watching. That's it, guys, and thanks for watching. Leave your comments below, leave your like. It was fun. Give some suggestions, and see you guys later.